Hello kids, welcome to Shobha's Kids Academy. Today we are presenting 40 words starting with the letter W. This is capital W and this is small w. The letter W sound is V. Welcome. Welcome. Watermelon. Watermelon. Walnut. Walnut. Wall. Wall. Whale. Whale. Waistband. Waistband. Wallet. Wallet. Wagon. Wagon. Walk. Walk. Watch. Watch. Wave. Wave. Worm. Worm. Weather. Weather. Waterfall. Waterfall. Wheel. Wheel. Wood. Wood. Wing. Wing. Winter. Winter. Window. Window. Whistle. Whistle. Woodpecker. Woodpecker. World. World. White. White. Wheat. Wheat. Wasp. Wasp. Water. Water. Waste. Waste. Washing machine. Washing machine. Vest. Vest. Web. Web. Well. Well. Woman. Woman. Wind. Wind. Windmill. Windmill. Worm. Worm. Wolf. Wolf. Wig. Wig. Wax. Wax. Way. Way. Wide. Wide. Wool. Wool. Wardrobe. Wardrobe. Words. Words. So kids, these are 40 words starting with the letter W. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching the video and keep watching more such videos. Thank you. Bye bye.